1 tablespoon, it's 10 calories. $5, what a deal. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing my March favorite. So I have really random products, but mostly everything is fitness, clothes, health, beauty, sneakers, everything. So let's get right into the video. But first, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, now we can get into it. First up is this lip combo that I'm wearing. I've been really into the pinky tones. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat and Pillow Talk. It's like the perfect pink. It's not too pink, but that's what I lined my lips with. And then we have a drugstore, NYX Butter Gloss. This is in Fortune Cookie, and that's what I put in the center of my lips. Everything I talk about, I'm gonna link it down below. Next up, I have this vitamin C serum that I've been really liking. It's by Naturium. It's vitamin C complex serum. I got it from Target. It was pretty affordable for vitamin C. It's 1.0 fluid ounces. I think it was around $20. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Right, next up is my HyperVolt. So basically, if I wanna use it on my thighs, ooh, that feels good. So it's kind of like getting a deep tissue massage, but in the form of this. I'm sure you guys have all seen this. They sell it online and they come with different attachments. This thing is amazing if you're sore, if you're tight, before a workout, after a workout. I always use this. Next up is my Hamstring Stretcher. I got this from Five Below. Don't sleep on Five Below. I have another item in this video that's from Five Below. So basically, and pull. I hope you saw that, but yeah, Five Below. $5, what a deal. These socks. How cute are these? I got these from Etsy. They're like an orange and black tie-dye. It says dry fit, has the little Nike symbol. I got them recently, so they still should be on the Etsy shop. These go with everything, because most of the time I like to keep it simple and wear all black with a little pop of color. All right, since we're on the topic of fitness, Lululemon Zip Up. It's easier if I show you when I put it on. I didn't get this recently, so I don't think it's gonna be in stock, but I'm gonna look, and if I find it, I'll link it below. But this is the perfect jacket for living in Florida because it's super thin. It has these little strings. I like to wear it like this. I think it looks so cute. This is perfect to wear over a tank top. So this item is from Five Below. How beautiful is this color? This is a matching two-piece set. I'm gonna insert a picture right over here of me wearing it. It is super soft. I already washed this about twice. Literally $5, $5. $10 for a matching outfit. And the only thing is I got the shorts in a large and I got the top in a large. Five Below, their sizes are weird. I'm happy with the large. It's a little loose, so I could have gotten away with a medium. I got this about a month ago, so it should still be there. I also have it in gray, and I think they had blue. So next up is this diffuser. So I got this from Amazon, and it came with a bunch of oils. It came with all different scents. We have lavender, orange, lemongrass, tea tree, eucalyptus, peppermint. So it's super simple. I have it plugged into the wall. You twist it. Try not to spill it. I've been really liking lavender. I'll do a couple drops, lock it in. You can put the light on or you can mist it. And it starts to come out. Oh. See, it turns colors. Not too big. Next up are these sneakers. How cute are they? So I just recently ordered them a few weeks ago from the Nike store, and they were on sale, and they're a kid's size. In case you didn't know, for kid sizes, you're a size and a half lower. Same for men. Yeah, same for men. So this is the palmini pasta. It's not like those see-through pastas that taste like air. This actually has flavor. It's from Hearts of Palm, which I think that's like artichoke. I could be wrong, but basically for each serving is 20 calories, 4 grams of carbs, 2 grams of dietary fiber, no fat, 1 gram of protein. Love this, super easy to make. Got it from Publix, but I think I've seen it at Target as well. Since we're on the topic of food, next up is the spicy garlic parm 10-calorie sauce from Taste Flavor. If you didn't see my last video, I reviewed all of the flavors. I'll link the video below. This one, so good. For 1 tablespoon, it's 10 calories. No fat, no carbs, no protein. A little spicy, kind of cheesy, but not too much. You just have to try it. I think you can get it from Walmart, but I ordered it on their website. Next up is the Tc1 Probiotics Powder. So this is vanilla flavor, which is good because you can mix it with anything. I usually put this in my protein shakes. It's just a great way to get my probiotics in because I don't really like taking those big probiotic pills. I'd rather have it in powder form. Plus it makes the protein shakes a little more like creamy texture wise. 100 billion probiotics, gluten-free, soy-free, non-GMO. And once you open this, you want to put it in the fridge because I'm sure you all know what this is. I love taking baths, but this flavor, scent specifically, the hemp seed oil smells like you're in a spa with a man. Does that make any sense? It's amazing, so good. Next up, this big giant mirror I've gotten a few questions about. I'm always posting pictures here. It's from IKEA. It was like 120 bucks, and if you want to get it delivered, they can deliver it for you. And usually these mirrors go for like $500, but this was like 120, so don't sleep on IKEA. All right, so next up is this floor pillow. I love this. Oh my gosh, the color, it's like blush pink and it has some shiny sparkles. I love using this to sit on to meditate. And if you don't meditate, that's fine. You can get this to just sit on the floor. Because I don't know why I love sitting on the floor. I have this big couch and I prefer sitting on the floor. So, pop it down and you just sit. It's so comfortable. Also, I got it from Amazon. I think it was like 20 bucks. Last but not least, we're in my kitchen and I have one product to show you. Is my air fryer. This thing is so easy to clean. I've had air fryers before and they are so much harder to clean. But this thing comes out, everything comes right off, and then you just clean the inside. I literally put everything in here. That pretty much wraps up my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And I will see you guys in my next video.